What's up? There's part 2 on the 65 Lincoln Continental. Got the convertible top installed. New tech strip pads. Wires that run up through it. This has electrical latches. Some of that stuff still has to be figured out and fixed. There it goes. Well, there it is. I'm going to pull the dash apart next. Make sure all the windows work. A lot of the front two do. The rear motors are probably bad. Let's see if this works also. Alright. Here, I'll show this dash next time. It should be done on the next video. Or at least tore apart. Something else finished. I haven't put the steamer on it. I don't really have to. I probably will for the hell of it. Still got a couple fold marks where the top was folded up when it was shipped. All that'll come out, especially once it sees the sun or my steamer. Same thing for that back window. Still got the waves from where it was rolled up. She'll lay out. She freshly installed. Yeah, I use a company called Key Auto Top. I've been using them for 20 plus years. It's my favorite convertible top company. They make a good top. And best warranties on the market too. Alright, now on to the interior. A little bit of wiring for stereo and hopefully figure out the rest of the factory wiring. Yep. Alright, thanks for watching so far. Peace.